Hello, we're gonna do a clutch cable change on a Kawasaki Ninja 2017. Clutch cable broke, as you guys can see right here. It's pretty simple. You just gotta guide it in through, fit it into this gotta feed it into this loop right here. Just got it in, and that should make it happen. You're gonna need a 12mm wrench. Both of them are 12, and obviously you're gonna need your brand new cable. Make sure you get the proper one, because that's gonna suck if you don't get the one you need. And you got everything set up to your cable exchange. Basically, I'm just gonna cut the cable. I don't want to be fighting it back and forth. Right here, this part is stuck. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it off so I don't have to struggle. Hey, it's me again with the clutch cable. One of the wisest things God asked us to do is to confess our pride. I was too prideful and I didn't want to remove the fairings. And so what I did, I taped the two cables together. I tried to slide them so I didn't have to remove the fairings. But I mean, trust me, remove the fairing, because it's gonna, I almost ripped this cable trying to pull this one. And it's just gonna cost you less money and less time to remove it. You just gotta feed it in through a little loop right there. I don't know if you guys can see it from there, but yeah, just confess your pride, and even God's gonna be happier with you right there. So yeah, just remove part of it. I think that's all I'm gonna remove, but it'll make it happen though.